Well, it's Monday morning, the 2nd of February. About 9:30. Very cold outside. Of course, we had our snow here in Pennsylvania, southeastern Pennsylvania, and we have quite a crew here at the bird feeder and the suet holder, and they're just getting the food wherever they can now. As you can see, there's quite a few of them here. It's like mostly starlings, but there's some cowbirds mixed in there, some doves, sparrows, finches, a little bit of everything here. And they're certainly having a good time together. And we're always glad if we can help God's creatures with some food. And they bless us with their visitation. And we're thankful to see it. So there you have it. For this morning, February 2nd. It's another blessed day. And we thank the Lord for this day. We'll rejoice in the day and be glad in it. Okay, folks. Take care. God bless.